Welcome to McPlum, simple solutions served daily.
You have assets and a PC ready. Start immediately by creating a 9:16 project. Import vertical clips or phone footage, then organize them on the timeline so you don't waste time hunting later. Make sure the sequence is 1080 x 1920 and 30 FPS for consistent playback. Once you've imported, scrub through clips and mark in /out points to remove dead time. This speeds editing. From here, you'll assemble the fastest version of your short before adding polish. Now focus on pacing and clarity. Trim each clip to the most striking moment and use cuts that match audio beats to keep retention high. Add readable captions with large type and contrast because many viewers watch muted. Position them away from safe zones. Use speed ramps or jump cuts to emphasize action and balance audio levels so dialogue is clear while music is supportive. Once the edit flows, stabilize shaky shots and apply a subtle color grade to unify the look. Export using H.264 MP4 at 1080 x 1920 and a 612 Mbps bitrate to balance quality and upload speed, then check the final file on your PC. Upload through YouTube Studio, add a clear title and include hash shorts in title or description so the algorithm recognizes it, and pick a vertical thumbnail or let YouTube auto-select one. If YouTube doesn't treat it as a short, make sure it's under 60 seconds and truly vertical. If needed, crop or rotate and reupload.
Thanks for watching. Stay juicy and subscribe.